Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Chiniqua back with another video. I'm excited about this one because it is a fabric haul. I and Fashion Fabrics Club have partnered up, and I'm excited about the partnership because a girl get to get some fabric and I get to make stuff and all that other good jazz, and I just can't wait to get into these. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, I don't want this to be a long video. We're gonna cut straight to the chase. I'm gonna leave everything about the content on the side somewhere here of this fabric, and let's speed through this thing because I'm ready to cut. I'm ready to cut. So the first item that I'm going to reach for, when I saw this, I already knew what I wanted to make from it, and I did not want to waste any time. And it is this beautiful fabric here. Don't you like this? I absolutely love this print. It is as beautiful as it is online. It really is. I'm so excited to make the item that I want to make from this. But let me show it to you up close. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to make what I'm gonna make from it. Like, can you see it already? Can you see it? Like, hello, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm excited about that. On to the next one. It's gorgeous. The next fabric is, well, would you look at that? Hold on. Where's the salvage edge? Okay, let me turn it. That, oh, no. Go back. That is some beautiful, gorgeous fabric. Look at that print. Look at that print. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. I don't think I want to make a blouse from it. I think I want to make a complete dress from it. My good God. Even the underside of it is just as vibrant as the top. Look at the drape in this fabric. It is just as beautiful as it is online. It's more than I expected when it comes to the scale of the print. I see that there's black, but I thought there would be more black throughout the fabric. Let me turn it around. I thought it would be more black throughout the center of the fabric, but it's not. It's only along the border of the fabric. And I wish this black was more so throughout the fabric. So that's one thing that I can say that, because I really like the color black, that's one thing that I can say that's a little off-putting for me. But beside that, I absolutely love this fabric. So instead of making the Versace inspired top tunic button down, I think I just may turn this into a nice flowy wrap style dress. I'm gonna fiddle through some patterns that I have, but if you guys have something in mind, go ahead and leave your comment down below. And if you're starting to really like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. But gorgeous, I must say so myself. Let me wrap it around me so you guys can see. Oh yeah, this I don't know. I'm starting to think there's a macaw pattern that would be perfect for it. I'm thinking something that has with ruffles, that's short and cute. That's what I'm thinking. But Any suggestions, leave them down below. There's a lot of things that I can now do with this fabric. I'm excited about it, but I am thinking either it's gonna be this dress or this top still, or maybe this pattern, or possibly this one. But I know I need to make a decision, and I need to make one quick. But whichever one I do decide to do, I think it's gonna be absolutely lovely. All right, let's move on to the next one. Pause. Okay, now this is absolutely gorgeous. I saw it online and I was like, I've got to have that. All right, so let's get that going for you. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Check it out. This is gorgeous. The drape is beautiful on it. That is cute. I'm feeling a little springtime. I don't know. I know I said that I was gonna do a blouse. I'm thinking a wrap blouse because I like the way that bunches up right there. That'll be nice with maybe some funky flowy type of sleeves or caps or whatever. I don't know now. Now I'm thinking about this blouse and I'm thinking about this dress, but I don't know if I have enough to make this dress. It would be small, a little short and flirty. I don't know if I want to show that much leg. But the possibilities are endless. Now I know I said I would do a, when I saw it, a pussy bow type of blouse, but I think a girl done changed her mind. Because my thing is, I want to make the most out of a fabric. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. If you guys have any suggestions about which fabrics go well with what pattern, leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for those who are watching me for the very first time. If you want to see more content like this, or you want to see me do something else, just let a girl know, okay? But that fabric is gorgeous. There are so many. Y'all gotta help me decide on some of these things because sometimes I don't know. But let's go ahead and move to the next one. And the last fabric is this is the one that I received a lot of yardage because I intend to make a print on print outfit. I'm very excited to have a print on print outfit. I'd never had a print on print outfit before, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do what I'm visualizing in my mind. I want to be all flowy and stuff. I have patterns that are in my mind. I'm thinking this and I'm thinking that, but let me show you the fabric first, okay? Ooh, so many yards. It is a large print. It's larger than I thought. This is the salvage end. Let's get it this way. Okay. It is a pretty large print. I wanted to do a set, but the white portions that I really wanted to work with, the black and white portions that I wanted to work with the most are along the border of the fabric. So I may have to move things around a little bit in order for my vision to come, you know, into play. But aside from that, you guys tell me what you think of this fabric. I'm gonna keep raising it so you can see how big of a scale down the middle of this fabric is. And it just keeps going. I mean, come on. Do you guys see the possibilities of this fabric? I'm excited. I'm excited to make exactly what I have in mind. And you know what? When it comes to this, I don't need not one item matching up when it comes to adjusting the lines and having them match up. I don't need that. I love the juxtaposition and the eclecticness of the placing of these patterns. I love it all. And I'm excited to see how it develops itself into the look that I have in mind. Now, hence, it could be a dramatic, long, flowy dress. That's still an option. However, like I said, I always wanted a print-on-print outfit. And what I have in mind, I think it would do great justice because the fabric is opaque. And I was thinking of a pair of pants. I was thinking of a button-down type of flowy shirt from Vogue. I was also thinking about even making a top from it. Yeah, something like a, I don't know, for a busty girl like myself, I was thinking about making this pattern here with it. I don't know just yet. But whatever I make from this, trust you me, it's gonna be gorgeous. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous, and I'm excited about that also. So all these fabrics to me are just divine, and I'm excited about cutting into them and all that other good stuff. But yes guys, that is the end of my video. I am elated about working with Fashion Fabrics Club. I'm excited about that because now a girl ain't got no excuses about not having the right fabric to go with the pattern that she has in mind to make such garment, okay? But yes, I'm excited and I can't contain myself. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and end this video because I got some pattern adjustments to make before I cut into my beautiful floral fabric, and I want to be able to get that to you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell because I don't want you to miss another video. Yes, they may come wide and few, however when I show up, I show up. Okay, and this time I'm showing up because I have great fabrics that I just want to showcase, and I'm excited about it. And I don't know what else to say, but keep social distancing, wash your hands, love one another, take care of yourselves, and later until the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Blessings.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay. Okay. Let's talk about it.